Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a broken zipper track. First, carefully examine your zipper to understand the problem. Is the slider too loose, or are the teeth simply out of alignment? Sometimes, the issue is minor and easily resolved with a few simple tools. We will cover common problems and straightforward solutions to get your zipper working smoothly again in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Often a zipper track just needs its teeth realigned. If your slider feels loose, gently squeeze its sides with needle nose pliers. This helps it grip the teeth better. Then slowly move the slider back and forth over the misaligned section. For stubborn zippers, rub a graphite pencil along the teeth. This acts as a dry lubricant, making the slider glide much more easily. Patience is key here. If the slider itself is the problem, replacing it is a straightforward fix. First, use small cutters to remove the metal stopper at one end of the zipper track. Then, carefully slide off the old, broken slider. Take your new slider and thread it onto the zipper teeth from the same open end. Finally, crimp a new metal stopper firmly in place to prevent the slider from coming off again. You can find replacement stoppers at most craft stores. After your repair, test the zipper by opening and closing it fully about 10 to 15 times. This ensures everything is properly aligned and moving freely. To prevent future issues, apply a tiny bit of wax, like a candle or crayon, or a specialized zipper lubricant to the teeth every few months. Also, remember to always close zippers completely before washing clothes or storing bags. This helps maintain their shape and prevents damage to the teeth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.